So we are trying Trill Burgers by Bun B. Trill Burgers, we're gonna see what it's about. All right, so we are trying Trill Burger in Houston, Bun B's restaurant. It's gonna be, you're just gonna be, because the audio was a lot of rap music, so this is the inside of the restaurant. Again, this is Trill Burger. We went on the day where it wasn't so busy. It was good, nice atmosphere. You could see all the merchandise. This is Bun B's Trill Burger. Enjoy. Now let's get into the food. This is the Mon's burger. You can see he's dancing. This is the it was really good. Again, this is Bun B Trill Burger. You can see here he had already bitten into the burger. Very delicious. Again, it's first bite. Very good. And these are the fries. I really like the fries. They were seasoned fries. You're going to see in the upcoming video, I had the baby Trill Burger. It was good. Again, this is Bun B's Trill Burger in Houston. Again, this is my burger. I got the baby G burger, baby Trill Burger. The only thing is really good. You can see I'm about to take a bite. There's that bite. Really good. And you can see the only thing I would ask that they provide more slop my burger. Again, this is the Mon's burger, and you're gonna see towards the end of the video our full review because we couldn't get the inside, we couldn't the music in the restaurant. But again, we would highly recommend you visit Trill Burger here in Houston. It's voted America's best burger. Again, this is Trill Burger. All right, so we just came back from Trill Burger, Bun B, and yeah, it was. I had the baby G or baby Trill, or it was good. Damon, he's driving.
Yeah, I had the triple OG burger.
Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, 110 being the highest, like yes, we would come back. 1, never again. I would say probably I would give it a 8.
Yeah, I'd give it a 7. You know, I mean, you're getting what you came for, and that's a burger. You know, like a good burger experience with, you know, what Houston and Texas is known for. So, you know, it doesn't have you know, it doesn't give you a lot of variety food wise, but the burger was very, very good.
Yeah, it was good.
I will say that. Would I come back? Of course I would, you know.
The fries were fresh. Everything was fresh.
Yeah, the fries were fresh. Reminds me of like maybe like some Cajun fries from McDonald's. I mean, not McDonald's. Like was it like Rallies or what? Please like and share to the page. Again, this is the Trill Burger. Highly recommended. Very reasonable price. Again, this is Trill Burger with Eats and Travels.